Hi everyone. Tonight I have a wig haul for you. Check it out. I'm only going to review one for you tonight. I just wanted to show you because I thought you might be excited. I got Nola. You can see her there. And I'll go over the colors when I do the reviews on those. Emmeline. So some of you that are thinking about these, it's going to be fun to open them. Mason. And the new Synergy collection. This one is long and layered. And tonight, for my wig sister Elizabeth, she messaged me and she said, please, oh please, oh please, will you review Indy? So Indy is the winner tonight. And Indy is in color SF1228. I know it's shocking. Honey, my favorite color. And tonight I'm wearing one of the hair cube wigs that I got. I took my grandson to the playground tonight and the beach. So the wind was gusting at 40 miles an hour. And I had this in a ponytail with my wig grip on and nothing moved. And it was nice to know that I wasn't wrecking an expensive wig. So I do think that these have value. Not 100% into the Cruella de Vil color, but my husband said he really liked it. But that might have been because I told him it was only $10. So who knows? But anyhow, let's go ahead and let's get to unboxing of Indy because I know that's what we're all here for. All right, hang on. This is what she looks like. Shake first. That's what Paula Young says. All right, let's get her out of this mess. So she comes looking like that, all wrapped up with the stick and the tissue paper. Let's just take a peek at her. Ooh, she's soft. Very, very lightweight. So that will be nice for summer, actually. It looks like we do have a little bendy ear tab. And she does have just a little bit of an extended nape. Everything is all open wefting, of course. And just your basic front. So, let's put her on. She has some pretty bad box hair. I mean, there's no doubt about it. That's some pretty bad box hair. Look at those bangs. What do I do? She looks longer here. This looks like it has an extra layer where I'm not seeing. Oh, okay. There it is. It just wasn't forward. It just needs some help. I'm going to go ahead and do my thing and see if I can make her look a little more presentable. So let's give her a good spritz with water and start messing with that part. Moving the hair around. I always like a right side part. I'm working on the permatease now and trying to pull some of that out and get it activated. When you see me digging in there with my fingers all the time, that is me trying to activate the permatease. Spritzing her with a little light brown tinted dry shampoo and medium brown root spray. I don't just spray in the part. I take sections and spray all over, including my bio hair on the sides. So again, I'm just working with her, working with the style. Sometimes it takes a little more playing with some rather than others, but I do think she's going to be a really nice style. I mean, you can totally tell the difference, you guys, between a quality wig like Paula Young and something from Amazon. These are so much nicer. I mean, those ones are great. Like I said, I'm going to the beach. It's 30-mile-an-hour winds. I'm not going to care about it so much. I know a lot of people don't like permatease. And there is permatease in here. You can feel it underneath the hair. Very short, but I don't really know what to classify as a lot because I like it. But this is cute. I'm definitely liking this, Indy. As with any long synthetic, I mean, I'm already starting to feel a few tangles underneath. It happens. That doesn't bother me. I just have a little wide tooth comb and I have a brush in my purse, so occasionally at work, basically if I go to the restroom, I might just take it and kind of comb it out. But it's not really a big deal if you just let it stay like that underneath and comb it when you get home. So I can't really see my mirror. Yeah, so just a little boxy hair here. I mean, I have a little tiny ponytail. But honestly, with her length and everything, I can wear her tomorrow to work and nobody will notice any difference. I wore Reese today in the buttered toast one. And so, yeah. So I really like this. I think this is really cute. I mean, I think it's a good value. There's a ton of things that you could do with her. I mean, of course, we can do headbands. I should have grabbed a black one because headbands are cute. I have to be more organized when I do this. But I worked all day, took grandson to the beach and the playground. Yeah, this is pretty hair. This feels nice. This is nice and pretty. I do like it. I like the length. Somebody else asked me about the ear tabs. So the ear tabs for me, they're right here. And she's like, can you see them? No, it's covered in hair. But what it is it's a bendy tab. So you can kind of bend it in. And this one just has a little one. Can just kind of bend it in. Don't bother me. I still put my glasses on. No problem. You know, not a big deal. You can still go like that with your glasses. Looks cute. Sorry, I'm trying to get Colton settled. It's actually past his bedtime and he hears me in here because that's our bedroom over there, but now he wants milk. I already got him a snack. Yeah, Elizabeth, there might be too much permatease for you. I don't know. I like permatease. Are you sure you don't like it? It's nice. It's good. It's good to have a little lift. It gives you the style. So she's cute in your half up, half down. She's pretty good. I'm not seeing any wefts in her. I mean, you could definitely like keep doing these twisty deals like I do and keep adding to your little updo. Sometimes that actually works better to stack your updos because then you're hiding that wefting. But a lot of things that you can do with this length, you could even do your full updo. And when you do your full updos, you just have to make sure, and I'm doing it super quick here, but what I would actually do is leave these side pieces out and then I would twist them and bring them over to cover that line so you didn't see it and it looks nice. And I didn't do that here now, but you can see that with her length you can definitely do that. Yeah, this is a pretty wig. So you guys, I truly appreciate you all subscribing and leaving me your wonderful, beautiful comments. I love it. It makes me feel so good and just gets me excited to keep doing more. and I go to bed and I dream about videos that I can make, but then I have to get up and get a 6-year-old ready for school and breakfast and on the bus and go to work all day long and focus. And it's a challenge because I want to just do hair. I want to do hair videos. I've always liked styling hair, and luckily I had 2 daughters with long, beautiful hair, so that was always great as a mom for dance recitals or whatever, that I could do pretty styles. Anyhow, thanks again for watching on this one, and this was Indy again, SF1228 in honey. So for the next ones, you saw all 5 of them. So I want you to let me know in the comments below, what is the next one that you want me to review? I have Emmeline, Mason, the Synergy Long and Layered. Was that it? I can't, oh, Nola, and Nola. She's a VersaFiber, so she is a heat-friendly one. So you guys, in the comments, let me know the next one that you want me to unbox and review. And you know, I am not going to peek. I'm not going to open them up. I'm not going to look at them. Not until we do this on camera, so that we're doing it together and you get my genuine expression. So thanks again, you guys. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you really soon. Bye-bye. All right, good morning. I've got Indy on. I did the review of her last night. Paula Young, color SF1228 Honey. This is really the color that I'm looking for though. And the pretty pony color. We're just waiting for the farrier. And my daughter's gonna be out here.